Guess who's back? Back again. Daydream's back. AX. What's good? It's your boy X. I daydream. AX. I know it's been a long ass time, but I'm back. Got a couple new shoes I want to show you guys, an unboxing on the channel. Let's talk about Yeezy'S, man. Is Yeezy dead? Is it dead really? Is it really dead?
The next day.
Yo, they're just sitting there. Who ever thought that Yeezy would sip? That's crazy. Sitting? Nah, bro. Fish! Yo, even GS, they're clean, bro. Damn! I slept hard. I slept really hard. Damn. The quality is good. Only thing, the retail, bruh. $300 plus tax. I'm good, bro.
A few moments later.
First pair of Yeezy'S. 350s. Got them at Full Locker. I never thought in a million years I own these. These are the zebra tangs. You know what I'm saying? Hello? Hello. Yo, these are clean. Yo, these are my favorite pair. Even though the hype is not there anymore, but these are hype still. Anyways, is Yeezy dead? Well, we just have to figure it out. Unboxing. Thumbnail. Another one. I ordered them from Yeezy's Supply, but it took 2 months to ship. So I bought these first, but I got these first, bruh. Anyways, let's check out the colorway. Is Yeezy dead, man? Okay. Yeah, I got a little on-foot action. Yeah, I didn't even speak about the size, man. So I got a 10.5. Usually I'm a 10. They told me, your first pair of Yeezy, you should get it. Alright, so I'm gonna go with the 10.5. Nah, bro. This shit tight, man. I had to take out the insole, man. If you're thinking about getting a pair, full size up. If you're a 9, go for a 10. I'm not kidding, guys. Go a full size up. Other Yeezys are coming out. The frozen yellows come out next week. So yeah, man, is the hype dead or not? Let me know down below. I know it was a shorter video, but I'm back, baby. Who's that, baby? I'm back, baby. Yeezy'S, Yeezy'S, Yeezy'S. First pair. Let me know, man. Thank you for watching, guys. And I'll be back with more videos. It was your boy X at blayjin AX. I'm out.